Back in November of 2020, I picked up a TCL Series 4 television. We absolutely love this television. Very easy to use, great picture, 4K, HDR, the whole thing, the whole smart thing set up. We've got access to all the different apps with Disney, with Amazon, with Netflix, everything we need. Then this past summer, we had an accident. My daughter was playing with some of her Hot Wheels. She threw one, and well, you can see what happened here. Oops, things happen. It happens. So I love the TV so much, I went back to Costco and I bought the Series 4 again. Again, awesome television, great price. If you can get yourself a hold of one, go ahead. Although I don't think they're available anymore. That's why I have linked the Series 5 for you down in the description here. Now, the onboard speakers that come with the TCL are, well, they're okay, but they could always be a little bit better. Now, we had an older soundbar that we used for a long time. It seemed to kind of get by, but it does cut out here and there. Then a few weeks ago, TCL reached out to me and they said, can we send you out our Alto soundbar? It's a 2-channel soundbar. And of course, I said yes. Some of the specs of the TSR1 wireless soundbar from TCL include simple wireless setup with your Roku TV, unboxing and listening in minutes, and literally the setup took literally minutes. There are no other controls on this soundbar. You literally plug it in. There is no other inputs. You can't run an optical cable to it. You can't run an HDMI. Nothing. It all is completely wireless with your TCL television. Your TCL television will actually, in fact, recognize when the soundbar is plugged in and sync up and work with it instantly. As you can see here, seamless audio, video sync, automatic software updates, specialized sound modes. It also includes a wall mounting kit along with the various apps and things like that that you would expect from, well, a soundbar. Very simple to use, very straightforward. And you can see here, this is our old soundbar that we had, very high profiled, very big. But look how low profile this TCL soundbar is. You can see that I had to put my TV here, the TCL TV, on like basically stands so the signal would get through there. But with the TCL, that's not needed at all. It's got this great kind of matte, kind of dotted kind of finish there. And then you flip it over and all you have is a power plug-in. Very, very simple. That's it. That's all you can do. You can't plug anything else. And they also give you a wall mounting kit here, brackets and everything, if you do want to mount this against a piece of furniture or on the wall. Setup is very simple. All you have to do is hold down the home button on your Roku controller. That's the controller that comes with the TV. And you'll go to this menu here and you just tell the TV, setting up a soundbar. Click continue, and it will go through the process of finding the soundbar and syncing up. This can take, 2 to 3, sometimes 4 minutes. And as you can see there, it is done, all done, and everything is synced up. And then it basically goes through kind of a promo of, demonstrating the different sound modes and everything like that. And it is very, very, very impressive. I couldn't believe how much it filled. Now, is this going to give you the boom boom? Not so much, although there is a bass boost mode on there, but it still sounds very, very good. For the room that we're using it in, it is perfect to amplify those sounds and everything. Very, very well done. The soundbar does not come with a controller. The way you take care of things is use the original controller that came with your Roku TV, or in this case, the TCL television. Now, you could definitely use this soundbar with other televisions. However, you may be limited on functionality. The soundbar is very easy to use with the controller. You simply, when you're watching your show, you hit the star button and it takes you to this menu here, and you can go through to your sound settings, and you have very basic settings such as bass boost, volume mode. There's also a clarity mode, and you can also individually choose how high you want your bass or your treble. That's basically it. One of the most important things to remember about this soundbar is that it's not considered a separate unit from your television anymore. For example, I'm on Optic TV here in Canada, and normally my controller would be programmed to turn on a television, the cable box or the Optic TV box for my programming, and also the soundbar. In this case, the Optic controller is programmed to turn on a TV and just power the Optic box. There's no separate amplifier or soundbar. So when I volume up and down, you can see the volume is being transmitted through the TV to the soundbar. So basically they're one and the same. The soundbar is constantly turned on. It never fully powers off. And that's basically how that works. So again, you definitely want to pair up this soundbar with your corresponding TCL television or Roku setup because of how it works. Again, it's Bluetooth connection there with your television, but it's considered one in the same. So when you're programming a third-party controller, you're programming basically the television and also obviously the controller here with your box. You don't have to program a separate amplifier. It's considered one and all the same there. Very simple. And of course, when we go to power off, everything turns off and the soundbar stays in standby. And that's it. And then here's another look with sound. And there we go. We've got the TCL soundbar set up with the TV. We took the stilts down, as you can see. Looks really great with this lower profile. Sounds great. Everything's controlled through the controller that came with the TV. You can see here, the volume's nice and big up in the corner. Yeah. Looks good and sounds good. Awesome stuff. Something out of a dream. So if you're looking to enhance your TCL television to Series 4, Series 5, Series 6, and you don't want to break the bank, definitely take a look at this soundbar. Link is down below for you. That'll take you to your nearest Amazon there so you can pick one up for yourself. Again, thank you very much to TCL for sending this out for the review and for me to set up and play with. If you enjoyed this content, hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Cool. That's it.